So the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is Samsung's love letter to Note users. What's up, tech downloaders, and welcome to another 2-minute review video. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments down below. Today we're reviewing the Note 9. I'm going to give you my impressions on it in about 2 minutes. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So this phone is what the Note 8 should have and could have been had the problems with the Note 7 not really occur. Right? Some people are calling this an iterative update from the Note 8 because the design hasn't changed that much. I think it's more of a realization of what Samsung wants the Note brand to be. It's everything that a smartphone user wants wrapped in a kind of expensive package. So the phone is a 6.4 Super AMOLED screen, a Snapdragon 845 processor, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, and all that is wrapped in a slim, sleek, and premium feeling design. It's great performance for gaming. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and that's an all-day battery, people. And trust me, I am a heavy user of my Note, and I still end the day with about 20 to 30% of my battery remaining. Time will tell if that really stands up over the test of time and updates and things of that nature, but for right now, it's definitely doing its job. So it has a beastly price tag to go along with the beastly specs that come along with it. The phone itself is about $1,000, but with the first major update to the S Pen in a really long time, one of the best screens you'll probably find on a smartphone anywhere, and I mean anywhere. And again, that all-day battery. You know, I can't help but recommend this phone, especially if you're looking for the best Android experience that's currently out on the market right now. The Note is probably going to offer that. Even with that $1,000 price tag, you really can't go wrong. Now, you can also check out the specs of the phone in the description down below. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and subscribe, and also comment down below on whether you like the phone, whether you're considering buying it, or whether $1,000 is just too much for you. Thanks for checking out the video, guys, and until next time, peace out.